everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to show you my 2020 second quarter spreads. So this is April, May, and June. I'm still using this 2019-2020 Recollections Planner at this point. So we're going to go through that. So starting out, this is my April spread. I didn't end up actually using any kit. This is all washi from Amazon, and then I used bits and pieces from a couple other like sticker books to kind of like mix in here as well. All right, this is the first week in April. This is the end of March, and then the first week of April. This is using stickers from American Crafts. So I like how this kind of took up a bunch of my weekend. We were doing a readathon at that point, so that was kind of fun. I actually let the headers show in a couple places and used that as well, so that was kind of fun. This washi tape is all from Michael's as well. Doing job search activities. This is the week of Easter. This kit comes from Bella Digital Designs. Did really well in my job search activities, so that was really good. We made a DeLonga coffee that was like all over the internet at that time. Cross stitching like crazy for an anniversary gift. Yeah. Then this kit comes from Victoria Thatcher. I don't often put them all the full boxes at the top, so that's kind of fun. I don't think Lego Masters Finale apparently. Otherwise, nothing too much going on. I was making challah. And this is like the last full week in April. This kit was from Britannia Nicole, and then I brought in some like extra spring kind of washies. Had to meet with the allergist. I was doing some like contract work, just a few hours a week. Weekend smadathon, that was fun. My great aunt passed away, which was definitely rough. It's been a rough year for sure. And then this is the last week that's actually in the April section of the planner. This kit is from Planner One Love, and I kind of turned it into like a no white space kit using some of this like skinny washi from Amazon. So I really like how like calm this was, which was really nice. Definitely felt summery, even if it wasn't really summery here yet, but that was fun. All right, moving into May. This comes from Pink Pixel Graphics. Her shop is closed, but I downloaded like everything before her shop closed. We did the Asian Readathon. New York on Pause ended. We had our phase 1 reopening start. Phase 2 was delayed because, you know, bad things were going on. All right, so this kit comes from Beautiful Planning, and it was for Cinco de Mayo themed kit. This is so bright and colorful and fun, so that was really exciting. Let's see, figuring out what we're going to do with my office. I accepted my job offer this week, so that was super exciting. Moving back into full-time work, all that good stuff. Otherwise, it was mostly just not exciting. We made 3 flavors of challah. This was Mother's Day. That's it. Alright, these are all stickers from a Happy Planner book. I really like how bright this is. So this was my first week. This was my first day at my now current job. So I wanted like a get shit done kind of spread. So this was definitely really good for that. We had to take Fry to the emergency vet, which was the start of the decline, so that really sucked. I watched half of a movie night before we had to leave for this. Phase 1 opening started. Let's see, this kit comes from Wonton in a Million. This is one of the ones that was at Michael's. There's like a ton of foil, so that's pretty fun. I don't think anything super exciting was happening this week. And this was Memorial Day, so this is a kit from My Planner Life UK. Didn't end up filling in all of the to-dos, but did a lot of things. Did a pretty good job with my reading. This is when I was finishing up my contract work while simultaneously working full-time. We watched Space Force on Netflix. That was pretty fun. Let's see, finishing up now with June. So this kit comes from My Planner Life UK. I actually filled some things in for June, so that was pretty exciting. I had firsts for a lot of things for work. Starting some readathons this time. We were working on our cars. Phase 3 reopening. My grandpa broke his hip on the first day of June. And then he got moved into rehab this week. This kit is from Indian Planner Addict. It was super bright and colorful, so that was definitely fun. Yeah, so my grandpa went into surgery this day for his hip and then moved into rehab this day. Watching Queer Eye. This was the Black Lives Matter Planner Challenge. Definitely super foily. I got to use a bunch of stickers that I don't always get to pull out. So that was a lot of fun. This one I was trying to bike. I had to do a challenge test at the allergist. I felt like shit, so that was super fun. What else was going on? I don't think anything else really, just a lot of work. And then this one comes from CDB Planner Prints. It's like Lisa Frank themed, so that was a lot of fun. Definitely brought me back to my childhood. And the Top Chef finale. What else was going on this week? Oh, Father's Day. We replaced the brakes on my car. And then this is the last week that's in this planner. This was a Victoria Thatcher kit. We were not actually traveling anywhere, but I wanted to use this old TWA old school flying themed kit, which was a lot of fun anyway. Work apparently sucked that day. Had to jump a friend's car. A lot of reading. My grandpa got moved to a senior home away from rehab, so that was really nice. He actually just moved out of there a couple weeks ago. I think that's pretty much it. So that is all for this video. You'll see videos for the second half of 2020 posted over the next couple of weeks as I get them filmed, as we get through those spreads, all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye!